fifth lecture of nitrogen metabolism. Here we will study nitrogen fixation by filamentous non-heterocystous blue-green algae. One of the example is here, that is of Oscillatoria. It is filamentous but do not have heterocyst. So in non-heterocystous filamentous blue-green algae, how nitrogen fixation takes place, that we will see here. See, firstly, the mechanism of nitrogen fixation we will see in case of example Oscillatoria. So here there are some specialized cells instead of heterocyst for non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Such cells fix nitrogen in aerobic condition in presence of oxygen even. Blue-green algae fixes nitrogen during night time instead of daytime. As during night there is no photosynthesis, then no evolution of oxygen through process of photosynthesis, and such specialized cells then can, under low oxygen surrounding, can fix atmospheric nitrogen as there is no damage to the nitrogen enzyme. Right? Nitrogenase enzyme remains active in such situation. At the same time, we can say, see here, that during night there is process of respiration. We will call it as a dark respiration, and for this process also some amount of oxygen is utilized, which creates more favorable conditions for activity of nitrogenase enzyme as there is low level of oxygen. So this is first mechanism how non-heterocystous filamentous blue-green algae do the process of nitrogen fixation. In second type of mechanism, temporal separation of nitrogen fixation and photosynthesis. Process of nitrogen fixation and photosynthesis. Here temporal separation is there. So what is the meaning of temporal separation? Nitrogen fixation only in dark and photosynthesis during daytime. So this is temporal separation in time. Secondly, temporal separation in space. What it mean? It means central non-photosynthetic cell engaged in nitrogen fixation while green cells perform photosynthesis. For example, Anabaena. So the things here are related with the temporal separation. So as to accelerate activity of nitrogenase enzyme, like this, when photosynthesis should occur and when nitrogen fixation, so there is temporal separation. In third mechanism, nitrogenase enzyme in such species is highly tolerant to level of oxygen. So at any level of oxygen, some blue-green algae can perform process of nitrogen fixation, as here nitrogenase enzyme can tolerate the level of oxygen. Then we will go towards fourth mechanism. In some of blue-green algae have specific switch off and switch on mechanism of nitrogenase enzyme. Means nitrogenase enzyme becomes active, we will call it as a switch on, and becomes inactive, that is a switch off condition. So switch on and switch off of nitrogenase enzyme depends on concentration of oxygen level. So whenever oxygen level is more, nitrogen enzyme becomes inactive or switch off, and when oxygen level becomes low, nitrogenase enzyme becomes active or becomes switch on and do the process of fixation of nitrogen smoothly and non-symbiotically. For example, Plectonema.